Alright, you are welcome to my space. My name is Samuel, or you can call me Coach Samuel or Samuel. I believe you are here in my DM to make money online. Yes, you are here to make money online, and you'll be wondering why you should listen to me. I was once a sales boy with no post of 5,000 naira in a month. Yes, it was very hard at start. Yes, so till I met this business model, though it took me a long time, like 3 to 4 months, to save the required amount getting started. You have made money, you want to run away. I believe you should know by now that there are no few ways to make money online. If there are few ways to make money online, you would have found it. You would have not be here. Am I right? Right. So you should know by now that there's price to every success, and I'm a testimony of that. Right. This business model helped my life. I made my first 1 million naira in 2 months, which I'll be revealing to you today. Right. Now this business model is known as sales and marketing. Yes, sales and marketing. You sell the company's products, and for each sale you get as low as 50% commission for each sale. Yes, sweet. The products you are selling are digital products. Now this product can be in ebooks, can be in courses, can be in masterclass. Right. Now let me take an example. Let's say for example someone wants to weight loss, and he or she is looking for a guide or a way to weight loss. Now you as a sales expert, you tell the person, okay, I have this product that talks about weight loss to guide you in 30 days, a course that will guide you in 30 days on how to gain weight loss. After purchasing that product from you, you get 50% commission. Let's say the product is $25, you are getting $12.5, while the company is getting $12.5 as their profit, and you are getting that as a commission. Easy as that. This business has helped me, not just me. Yes, not just me. It has helped my students as well. Yes, that's helped my students as well. Being able to get yourself testimonials like this, testimonials like this, testimonials like this. And I will play a video testimonial for you now to listen to right now.
Hi, my name is Egu Zoma. I'm a digital marketer, of course, and I'm doing this video as a gratitude to my coach, Coach Samuel. Coach Samuel, I really want to appreciate you for your mentorship. I mean, this is 1 month under your mentorship, and I've been able to make for myself $100. I mean, as an undergraduate in Nigeria. This is someone that could not boast of 12,000 naira. This is someone that could not boast of 12,000 naira, and under a month I've been able to make $100 for myself. Coach Samuel, I really want to say thank you. Thank you for everything you do. Thank you for your mentorship. You're the best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm called Yeli Angel Kenyoy. I am an affiliate marketer from Cameroon. Under Coach Samuel's mentorship, I have been able to earn $15 in 2 weeks. After studying my affiliate marketing course for just 2 weeks, he guided me each and every step of the way, and I'm here to say thank you, sir. Thank you so very much. Your mentorship is so powerful, and your follow-up is so good as well. I thank you for all that you're doing for me and for other newbies in affiliate marketing.
Now you have seen it, right? She thanked me for being able to get started, taking this opportunity. I wish she has not met me. She wouldn't have been able to get this life-changing opportunity. Now I'll play one more testimonial for you. Watch this.
Hello, my name is Wokwe Edikachi, popularly known as Dominic, and I want to use this opportunity to thank my amazing coach, Coach Sam, because since I got started under this business, I've been able to grow massively in my affiliate marketing journey, from learning smart skills to actually making consistent money like this. Now, if you are still being unsure or you are feeling unsure about starting this business, I suggest you do, because with the right guidance which I got from my coach, Coach Sam, you'll be shocked at how far you can go in this business. Start now. Don't sleep.
You can see that as well. He was also thanking me as well. You can see the way this business model has changed our financial life. Now, I was once like this. I have moved to this. It is not a day job. Yes. Don't let anybody deceive you. Digital marketing is not easy. Yes, but it is the easiest online business model you can get started with. Now, my students were able to accomplish this because they were going through my mentorship program. Yes, my personal mentorship program, which I will be giving you access to once you get started today, not tomorrow, today. Now, after getting started, you'll be having access to my Millionaire group chat, my Telegram group chat, my blueprints, and my strategies, my Telegram live class, and so lot of bonuses that comes with it. Right now, I believe you should be able to do this because we are both humans. Yes, we have the same brains. Right now, in order to get more information, there's a video that is tagged to this particular video. Click on it and you can go through it. It's a 10 minutes video guide. You can watch it if you still don't understand what I just said, but I believe you should understand because this is a layman explanation on how digital marketing works. You can also call it affiliate marketing. Now, it has a price tag getting started. Yes, current price to get started is currently 40,000 naira to get started. But you being my student today, not tomorrow, today, only if you start today, you'll be paying just 20,000 naira to get started. Now, this 20,000 naira covers for both your Promptearn account, which is the company you are working with, access to mentorship program, access to blueprints, access to strategy, access to my $10 million family, my Telegram live section, and lots more bonuses as well. Now, you'll be having access to all these too. Yes, these are highly incoming skills because digital marketing is not just all about selling. You're also learning highly incoming skills like this. Yes, how to run Google ads, how to run Facebook ads, and you get paid. Someone can decide to employ you to run ads for him on Facebook, and you are getting paid 50,000 naira as your payment or your profit every single week. Just imagine doing that in 4 weeks. That is over $200. So you're actually learning highly incoming skills, not just by selling digital products. Alright, this is the beauty of marketing. Now, you will be wondering, okay, maybe I've got started before, I've discounted before and stuff like that. Now, I want to guarantee you that this will be the last weeks you will ever take. Yes, you coming to my DM today, this will be the last weeks you will ever take in getting started with any online business model because this business model is going to change your financial life today. Yes, I promise you that. But only if you are serious-minded and determined. You are not the lazy type. I don't work with lazy students. That is just the truth. If you know you are lazy, this video is not for you. But if you know you are willing to make this money online before the year comes to an end, this video is for you. Alright, now all you need to do is send the word ready to my DM now, WhatsApp DM now, and I will get started immediately. So see you there.